Hello and welcome to the Newlands Primary School Celebration Assembly. It's always so exciting to have our Friday assemblies, and today we have a little something different. We're going to be sharing with you some of the things that happened across the school this week. Wow, isn't that fantastic? The children have been absolutely amazing and working very hard to improve their learning every day. Now it's time to celebrate some of those children. The first thing we have is going for gold. Going for gold. First, we have in Leeds class, Declan, for always being kind and helpful to his friends. In York class, we have Orchie for brilliant name writing. We also have Nevaeh for fantastic maths work this week. In Hall class, we have Mia for using new painting palettes so well and painting a beautiful oak leaf. We also have Emily for amazing name and numbers writing each morning. In Nottingham, we have Grace for remembering finger spaces between words, and Susanna for fantastic maths works with sequencing numbers. In Liverpool, we have Elizabeth for super map work of the local area and a great timeline of the Great Fire of London. We also have Zara for working hard and having more positive attitude in maths. In Cardiff class, we have Ebony for being mindful of others and keeping her distance. She has used her own initiative while walking down the path. She stepped aside for an adult. This is an excellent example of how to follow the rules. In Edinburgh 1, we have Peyton for always working hard and making good choices. We also have Casper for trying hard with his work. In Edinburgh 2, we have Chloe for trying her best in maths. She can confidently label a number line to 1,000. Kian for making good choices and being a role model to others. In Cambridge class, we have Leah Marie for persevering with challenging work and improved attitude towards her learning. We also have Julia for being a fabulous role model for Year 5. In Oxford class, we have Dylan for making good contributions in discussions, and Darja for working hard in maths and following our safety rules in class. In Chester class, we have Jake. Jake receives this award for being back at school full-time and working well in all of his lessons. He has been positive about attending school, and he has been very kind and friendly with the other children. In Lincoln class, we have Ethan. Ethan receives this for making good choices and demonstrating good listening skills. Well done to this amazing group of children. Let's give them a hand. Now we have Year of Being Brave. Year of Being Brave. In Lee's class, we have Kobe for picking himself up when he falls over. In your class, we have Tristan for trying school dinners this week. In Hall class, we have Jacob for persevering and learning all of the grown-ups' names in class. We also have Evie for trying hard to recognize numbers around the room and school. In Nottingham class, we have Isabella J for having a go at reading some tricky words. Helena for being brave and trying new challenges in maths. In Liverpool, we have Rebecca for having such a positive start to a new class in a new school this week. We also have Zara for working hard and having a more positive attitude in maths. In Cardiff class, we have Kiana for being brave and joining in the maths lesson even when she finds it tricky. Goran also receives an award in Cardiff class for never giving up and always trying his best. In Edinburgh 1, we have Jessica for taking on board advice given to her to make her writing better. We also have Scarlett for her perseverance with times tables, going home and working on times table rock stars to help improve. In Edinburgh 2, we have George for showing moral bravery on the playground. He always takes care of others. Holly also receives this award for disciplined bravery towards her handwriting. She found it difficult to join letters up at first, but she didn't give up, and she's improving all the time. In Cambridge class, we have Year 5 for showing disciplined bravery, whilst Miss Housecroft was not here and adjusting well to when participating in the online learning. In Oxford class, we have Kian. This is for disciplined bravery, for working hard on difficult skills in English and maths and not giving up. Rosemary Ann receives it for empathetic bravery, for being a good friend. In Chester class, we have Alex for working with Mrs. Knight in maths and literacy to complete all of his tasks even when it was difficult. He is trying something new. In Lincoln class, we have Reuben for joining in with his peers in afternoon sessions. What a lovely group we have, showing lots of bravery around the school this week. Let's give them a big round of applause. Well, it's time for the weekend. I'm very pleased to see so many children working so hard. I hope that everyone has a lovely weekend and comes back ready to go for another week at Newlands. Bye.